In the ocean prison, a dangerous thief has been captured.
Don't move, prisoners. Go quickly. Don't waste my time. What are you waiting for? Get into your cell.
He is trapped in an unbreakable cell, 4 walls, 1 bed, and no freedom here. He tries everything, from climbing the ceiling to knocking on the brick, but no luck. Oh no, looks like he's found a way out.
Building a boat to escape the underwater prison.
Lego boat. Add the battery box. Install the propeller. Add the engine to the boat. Boat fender. Testing. The propeller is rotating counterclockwise. Testing with water. The propeller creates thrust to help the boat move on the water.
A few moments later.
Why does the water spill out?
The thief takes down an officer, disguises himself, and tries to slip out as a cop.
Take off your hat and show your identity card, please. Off you go. Hey, comrade, let me finish you up.
The thief nervously shows a fake ID, but he can't trick the guard.
Take off your hat. We heard gunshots. You heard wrong.
The thief finally reaches the shore and jumps onto his boat, ready to flee.
I have anticipated this. Dead.
Look!
Your fishing rod is too small to catch the fish. Let's see who is a good fisherman.
I will catch more fish than you.
Build the automatic fishing rod. Step 1. Build a reel seat. Step 2. Connect fly line to blank. Step 3. Build an engine. How does it work?
I challenge you to catch fish.
Let's see. Let's go.
Take the bait.
Congratulations!
Let's see what we do next. Look what I've got for you.
Are you kidding me?
How could you?
Take this!
Look what we've done to the lake.
I got an idea.
So dirty.
1 to 3. Let's go.
The lake is so clean.
I need to take the shrimp to that sushi restaurant. This rocky terrain is too rough.
Shrimp.
Let's go! I need a sturdier car.
Option 1, pendulum mechanism car. Build the car chassis. The engines. The battery box. Now add the wheels. Build the pendulum mechanism. Lego chain. Connect 2 parts. Lego chain link. The car uses a chain mechanism for movement. The pendulum mechanism will keep the water tray balanced during movement. Our car is ready. Now let's set up these 3 acupressure mats. This rough surface will challenge the car's balance. The car will start here and finish here. Pendulum mechanism car is ready. The initial amount of water is 200 milliliters. Let's see how much water it carries to the finish line. It moves across the carpet quite well, but the water still sloshes around a lot. Pendulum mechanism car has carried the water past the obstacle. Number 2, stabilization mechanism car. Build the stabilization mechanism. This dual-frame structure will automatically adjust the balance for the tray. Place the tray inside. The tray stays steady even though the frame tilts. Build the car chassis. The motor. The wheel. Lego curved gear rack. I'll use these curved gear racks to make 4 legs for the car to walk on. Connect to the battery box. Connect 2 parts. Stabilization mechanism car is done. Stabilization mechanism car is ready. Awesome! The car walks on the massage mat super smoothly. Stabilization mechanism car has reached the finish line. So the green water level is higher than the yellow one. The winner is stabilization mechanism car.
This time, I'll definitely deliver this shrimp to the sushi restaurant. Yeah, mission complete.